Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong 2024 prediction. So let's see what are the energies coming to you ngayong 2024. So this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay and pa-follow like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan, let us see, Pisces, what's coming to you ngayong 2024 for Pisces. Okay, owl. Ang owl is about wisdom, clear knowing, clarity. So I think ngayong 2024, you know what you want, no? Malinaw sa'yo kung anong gusto mong direksyon na tahakin, kung ng mga nakaraang buwan, medyo naguguluhan ka pa. So, ngayong 2024, you know what you want and you're going to do something about what you want para ma-achieve mo yon. And this is also about learning. So, I think marami ka ring pag-aaralan. Mas magiging very curious ka sa mga bagong kaalaman na pwede mong matutunan that will improve your life. You also have crane, and then isa pa. And then you also have sea urchin. Okay, so itong crane is about longevity, commitment, your faith and devotion mo sa buhay. So I think gusto mo ngayong 2024 na lahat ng mga gagawin mo, seryoso ka talaga doon at committed ka. This can be a relationship, a business, a career, or a project na gagawin mo. Okay? So, talagang devoted ka dyan. And then, you also have the sea urchin. Itong sea urchin is about protection, no? Pag-aalaga. Paprotect mo sa sarili mo, sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. So, isa rin yan sa ipupurso mo ngayong 2024 na mabigyan mo ng ng protection yung family mo. Pwedeng literal, no, na yung mga different ways to protect our home, pag-install ng CCTV, pag-ayos ng mga doors, locks, no, windows, and even yung mga gate, or kung ano-ano pa na mga kailangan gawin to protect our home, our family. And then, this is also about protecting your energies. So, I think you will also do some work na kung saan, parang mga pwedeng you may involve yourself in yung mga spells, yung mga, you may be using mga protection items that will help you protect your energies against mga nega. Okay? So, let's see what else for you, Pisces. Ngayong 2024. Mas priority mo yung safety ngayong 2024. You have 11th house community. So, maaring you will be connecting more with a lot of people. Magiging part ka, sasali ka sa mga clubs, sa mga groups na kapareho mo ng interest. Can be sa any type of interest. You also have the 12th house, which is introspection. This is about diving deeply within you, about your spirituality. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga bagong i-explore na belief system na nakaka-resonate ka. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa religion yan. Pwede ring any spiritual path na gusto mong alamin pa, no? And you also have retrograde, which is review. You're going to review all the things that you have done in the past. At titingnan mo doon kung alin doon yung naging beneficial sa'yo, yung nag-work for you. If hindi na, you are going to let that go and move on to a new direction. Mga pag-aaral ng hindi na sa pag-aaral parang i-reassess mo which ones kung saan ka nagkamali nung mga nakaraang taon or nakaraang buwan. And then, this is about learning from your experiences, learning from your mistakes. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung mga month-by-month energies for you, Pisces. So, January, you have the 3 of Wands. Going on an adventure. So, yung iba sa inyo, may travel opportunities. parang very curious kayo sa ibang lugar. So, yung iba, pwedeng kayo ay lilipat ng ibang bahay or lilipat ng ibang city, no? Pwedeng ibang bansa. And this is about growth as well. So, mas gusto mo ngayon na palawakin, paunlarin kung ano yung meron ka. So, if you have a business, you want to grow your business more, nag-iisip ka ng iba pang mga ideas. And hindi lang pag-iisip to, but also taking action doon sa ideas na yon. So, pagdating ng February, you have the Magician, which is about stepping into your own power, being more skillful, no? So, maaring meron kang tutuklasin pang mga abilities na kakayanan mo na hindi mo akalain gagawin mo, no? This is about exploration, eh. Alamin mo pa kung ano pa yung mga, parang itetest mo yung strength mo, yung abilities mo. What can you do or what can you do better? So, pagdating naman ng March, you have the Wheel of Fortune. Ang ganda. So, Wheel of Fortune is about destiny and karma. So, I think whatever you are doing, no, sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, or even sa relationship, yan ay babalik sa'yo. So, make sure you are doing the good things para maganda rin yung bumalik sa'yo. So, kumbaga rewarding rin yan para sa'yo. And you are being led to your own destiny. Pagdating naman ng April. So, April, you have the Ten of Cups. Wow, tinan nyo to. Contentment, prosperity. So, for you, Pisces, pagdating ng April, maraming mga good things na mangyayari para sa'yo, especially sa family mo, na hindi lang ikaw yung magbe-benefit, but also the whole family. Some of you may also be entering a very serious relationship. Yung iba magpapakasal, magsisettle down na talaga. Yung iba magkakaroon ng anak. So, let's see. Pagdating naman ng May, you have the King of Pentacles. Wow. So, very business-minded yung iba sa inyo, Pisces. I think you will be able to establish a very strong business here, no? Kung mahilig ka sa negosyo. If hindi naman to negosyo, I see this as a leadership role sa yung trabaho, sa career mo. And you are gaining respect, no, from your colleagues or sa trabaho na yan. And I see you na yung inyong galing is nare-recognize dyan sa trabaho, sa business or sa field of work na yan. And pagdating naman ng June, you have 7 of Wands. So, you are going to protect your energies. Syempre, no, the more na naaabot mo, na-achieve mo yung goals mo, yung success, the more na nagiging successful ka, people will start to notice you. So, pag napapansin ka na nila na, uy, umaangat ang buhay ni Pisces, no? So, ayan na, ang tendency na niyan, you will be attracting admirers, pero hindi lang admirers. Meron din dyan mga jealous people, no? So, that's why you need to protect your energies. At, wag ka masyadong maging mapagtiwala, no? Just make sure na kung meron kang pagkakatiwalaan, talagang, kilalang-kilala mo to, na tao na to. So, pagdating naman ng July, you have the 8 of Wands. May good news na parating, no? Especially if this is about travel or work abroad, no? May mga communications na darating, yung mga hinihintay mong balita, update, it's going to come, no? Pagdating ng July. And then August is the 6 of Cups, reconciliation. I also see you connecting with old friends, yung mga dati mong nakakasama sa trabaho, yung mga reunion, oo. And maari ding meron kang ma-meet na soulmate connection pagdating ng August. So, if you are looking for a relationship, yung mga single dyan. Pagdating naman ng September, okay, so you have the 8 of Pentacles. The 8 of Pentacles is about education, achievement. So, I think, mas lalo mo pang dadagdagan yung kaalaman mo. Hindi ka lang titigil sa kung ano yung meron ka eh. Gusto mo pa siyang palawakin. Gusto mong mas paunlarin ang iyong finances ngayong 2024. Mayroong mga achievements dito. Yung hard work mo is going to pay off. And makikita mo na yung resulta na yan by September. And then, October, you have the 4 of Wands. So, this is establishing yung iyong family life, yung home life mo. Yung iba sa inyo magsisimula ng bumili ng sarili nyong bahay or makapag-acquire ng properties. And meron din ditong kasalan, no? Kayo ay magsasettle down, ikakasal. I also see you gaining more freedom. Pwedeng mas na-establish mo na yung business mo, nakikita mo na yung resulta niyan, mas lumalakas, and even your income, mas nagiging stable yung income mo. Pagdating naman ng November, you have the Ten of Pentacles. Ang ganda naman, Pisces, ng reading ninyo. So, Ten of Pentacles is about abundance, no? Some of you merong marireceive na mana, inheritance from your family, no? From your parents or lolo, lola. Some of you meron kayong mga properties na maipupundar, no? Pagdating ng November. Kumbaga, mas palalawakin nyo na yung mga naipupundar ninyo. And I think itong mga naipupundar nyo na to ay magiging major investments nyo rin. Like, for example, real estate, no? Bibili kayo ng bahay or lupa na hindi lang siya magiging liability for you but also gagamitin mo siya para mas kumita ka pa, no? Pwedeng gagamitin mo na for rentals, ganyan, papaupahan, or buy and sell, things like that. But I see you na mas lumalawak or lumalago, or mas lalago ang finances mo ngayong 2024. So, pagdating naman ng December, wow, napakaganda. Alam nyo, sa lahat ng reading ko, ito yung pinakamaganda so far sa mga Pisces. The star is about reaching your dreams. Yes, and pagdating ng December, you will feel na ang dami mo palang, you will realize ang dami mo na palang na-achieve, marami na palang mga natupad sa mga pangarap mo, and hindi naman natatapos ang pangangarap, no, 'di ba? I think may mga bago ka pang isi-set na goals para sa sarili mo, para sa family mo, na gusto mo namang ma-achieve sa susunod pang taon, which is 2025. Okay, and some of you are also going to focus on your healing. Yan. Let's see sa money, career, finances. You have support. Yes. The support that you need is coming as long as you're willing to accept it. So, yung iba kasi, di ba, mataas ang pride. Pag may gustong tumulong, tinatanggihan kasi parang natatapakan yung kanilang ego. But for some of you, you will be open to help. Lalo na kung kailangan mo talaga. See, may assistance o may support ka na, may assistance pa. So, mga resources to. Some of you naman, it's either kayo yung tutulong or kayo yung tutulungan. You are divinely guided, no, in making decisions. Lagi nyo lang daw pakikiramdaman yung sarili nyo because you have to believe in your instinct, no? Yung instinct mo magsasabi kung ano yung best for you. Just follow your instinct. So, Pisces, something better awaits for you in your career, in your finances, in your job, in your business ngayong 2024. So, sa love naman, tinan natin. Love life ng mga Pisces. Love life for Pisces. Okay. Let's see love life. Date night. O, yung iba, papasok sa isang relationship. This can be a soulmate connection. Pwede itong makikilala mo lang siya randomly. Pwedeng through friends. And then, you will feel like a certain deep connection with this person. And then, meron ditong runner. Nako, baka kasi magkaroon lang ng issues when it comes to belief system. Ito yung tipong gusto na nyo pareho yung isa't isa, pero nung mas kinilala nyo yung isa't isa, magkaiba pala kayo ng pananaw sa buhay, no? So, it's either you walk away from this connection at an early stage ng relationship or ng connection, or you embrace it, or tipong maintindihan mo na lahat ng tao may iba-ibang pananaw sa buhay, iba-ibang fina-follow belief system. So, nasa sa inyo na yan if you will, you will accept yung differences na yon. Kasi kung talagang, you want to get serious about a connection, then, syempre, pwedeng iset aside yon yung belief system. Pero meron namang iba na importante talaga yon. So, you choose your own preference, no? Whichever is you think na kaya mong i-handle. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.